you back?
We're back again. And right now, guys, we are here at Sarasin Bridge. Yeah, with Prathamesh. You say hi, Prathamesh. Prathamesh! Yeah, Prathamesh, you say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, careful. And this is my friendship forever. This is Christian. And also, the, how to say? Yeah, how to say friendship. Yung freshly arrived from Thailand, Phuket, Thailand, Mark. This is Mark, ang kanyang kapatid. From Pangasinan, taga Pangasinan din siya, guys. So guys, andito ang feeling Thailander here at one of the famous bridge, right, darling?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the famous bridge here in Phuket.
And
they call it Sarasin. Yeah.
This side,
yeah. Sarasin Bridge. Yeah, so andito tayo ngayon, guys, sa Sarasin Bridge. Yeah, isa ito sa pinaka-popular na tourist spot dito sa Phuket. Yeah, kasama ako ang aking mga friendship forever. Yeah. So guys, itong Sarasin Bridge is a bridge connecting to from Phuket to Phang Nga. Yeah. So yan, guys, isa ito guys, usually na dinarayo ng mga Thai locals. Yan. Yeah, may bibili ding mga street food dito guys. Yan. Very popular to, guys. Medyo malayo ito sa mismong apartment ko from Kata Beach, no? Friendship, Darling, how many hours from Kata Beach by car? 2 hours, right? Yeah, so 2 hours, guys. So, yeah. Yeah.
Depends on the traffic.
Yeah. Ang aking driver and future husband, Prathamesh. Yeah. Mark, welcome to Phuket, Thailand. This is your first day. Gumala ka na agad. Yeah. First day pa lang. This is first day. First day pa lang.
Here from last 8 years. Wala, malayo na to. Hindi na niya mapupuntahan.
Sobrang guys, oh. Sa ibabaw ng bridge to, guys. Mismong highway. Yan. Finally nakalusot si Mark ng immigration. Diba? Makakalusot ka kasi may Mark, may pangmalakasan ka invitation letter from Bangkok. Philippine Embassy to Bangkok. Yan, so friendship, nagpa-vlog ka rin, friendship. Friendship, are you do vlogging? Tigilan mo na yan, mag-enjoy ka muna, friendship. Sobrang layo nito, guys, sa mismong apartment ko, as is. What time is it? 5:11 na. 5:11 PM, guys. So,
kuha kami ng talaba.
Unang gala ni Mark sa Thailand. Na siya, ma-memory sa Sawadi ka, kapun ka. You have to learn the basic Thai word. Sawadi ka, kapun ka, ni hao ma. May saya ni hao ma sa inyo.
The problem is if he said
kapun ka
or something like that,
yeah,
then you just confuse how much.
Yeah. Siyempre, kapun ka, kakapunin na kita. Ayan, guys, so dito sa Sarasin Bridge, mostly talaga ang mga how to say, visitor, mga Thai locals.
Mga nagliligawan.
Yes, dito. Ligawan area to. Maraming may mga din. Dito rin sila namimingwit, guys. Ayan.
Next Sunday we will go there, no?
Yeah, up to you, ngay.
That tower?
Okay, I want to see that one,
Bridge like this.
Where this one?
We will go from Skywalk and then after we will go there.
Actually, magandang ganitong oras ang bumisita ng Sarasin Bridge ng around 4 o'clock to 6 PM, guys. Si Mark taga to, San Fabian. Saan ka sa San Fabian?
Aramal.
Arman,
Aramal.
Panggalatok ka rin, akin. Bakit di ka nagpapanggalatok sa akin? Armal. Lagpas na
Aramal. Aramal.
Aramal. Yan. So, taga Aramal, San Fabian. Malayo ba ito sa Mabilao, friendship? Hindi.
Malayo pa, Mabilao.
Malayo. Mas malayo, Mabilao, Aramal?
Malayo pa yung Mabilao.
Oh, talaga. Di pa kasi ako nakapunta niyan. Aramal. Yes,
Last
this
time
is
before.
actually this is my second time para makavisit ng Sarasin Beach. The last time I think it's like 5 years ago with my friend. Yeah. Si Louie ang pangalan
Buti pa
ni
nga yung
Doc
malita mo,
Louie.
nauna na eh.
Yeah. Tapos not like this. You see it looks like old already, right? Mm. So ito yung ito yung itsura ng ng Sarasin
Babakasyon
Beach.
ako sa
Ng malapitan.
kasabay ko si Thailander.
Yeah, feeling Thailander, Anes. And guys, so try natin umakyat dito sa mismong Sarasin Bridge. Ano itsura? Ang ganda no, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa, friendship. No?
Mamaya mag-iba pa to eh.
Diba? Pwedeng daw umaan dito, guys. Ayun, no? Dagat na to, friendship. Ano ka pa? Tingnan natin ang view sa taas, ang pangmalakasan. Diba? Yan. Pak, 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 friendship. Dugyot. Oh, no! Ay, ayun pa, friendship, oh. Yun yung pinakagitna. Yan. Dagat na to, friendship. Yan, so guys, ipakita ko na sa inyo ang pinakataas ng Sarasin Bridge. Yan.
Vlogger.
Yeah. Sobrang madumi. Hindi masyadong malinis. Ang ratings ko dito sa Sarasin Bridge, rate 1 to 10. Siguro ang rates ko lang mga 4. What? Hindi siya masyadong kagandahan, guys. Maganda lang sa taas kasi nakikita mo yung view ng beach, ng dagat. Pero sa cleanliness, hindi siya hindi siya pasado sa cleanliness. Madumi. Walang nagme-maintain ng spot na to, guys. Pwede na rin sa pasyalan, tambayan every afternoon. Yan, guys. Pratamish, I rate Sarasin Bridge 4 out of 10. The cleanliness is not so good. Definitely not so good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because of us.
No,
For them.
because of the people
Yeah.
itself. No one take care, right? No one maintain the cleanliness of this area. Okay, guys, I have to end my vlog here at Sarasin Bridge. Ayan. Sabi ni Pratamish, we're going to Kokkoy, right?
Kokkoy.
Yeah, another spot, another tourist spot na naman na papasyalan namin ni Pratamish, Kokkoy. Okay, yeah. So, bye! Friendship, say bye muna, friendship. Bye! Pratamish, bye! Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!